Welcome to Async Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will write a simple number guessing game in Python. We will select integer between 0 and 100 by using random module. Then program will take in user input as a guesses of what this number is. The program will print out a message saying lower if the guess is greater or higher if the opposite is true. The program will terminate when the user guesses correctly. So first I'm going to import random, and now we are going to generate a random integer value between 0 and 100. So it will be our rand value for random value, and over here random dot rand in int, and pass in from 0 to 100. And now I'm going to add a while loop which is set to true, and we are going to prompt the user to enter the guess. So this will be choice, and we'll use input to prompt the user, and this one over here, please enter your guess. And now we are going to use in a try block, and we need to convert this value, the one user input, and to integer value. So I'm going to use choice, use a int function and pass in our choice. This will convert it to int. And now I'm going to use a if your choice equals to our random value, rand underscore value. Then we are going to print you guessed correctly. You you guessed correctly. And then we are going to break out of the loop if the user did not enter the right choice, which matches our random value. Then we are going to use choice if choice is greater than our random value. Then we are going to print lower because the user guessed too high. So we are going to suggest the value should be lower. And if this is not the case, then in else print higher. If user enter lower value, then we are going to suggest higher value. And then we are going to use the accept value error deception if the user did not enter the valid number. Please enter valid choice or number. Just going to save it. And now we can run our program, and you can enter your guess. I'll enter 20, and it suggests me to guess something higher. I'll go with 45 and still need higher value than this one. 65, 85, 95, maybe 100, lower, 96, 98. Yeah, over here you can see you guessed correctly. So the random number generated was 98, and this is the output for this game. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Asimcode. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.